Hi dear students, today we will be dealing with the ductility test for bitumen. So what is ductility? Ductility is the property of the material by which it becomes into fine threads. So when we are mixing bitumen with aggregates, it is expected that the bitumen get properly or the aggregates get properly coated with bitumen. So for that we have to ensure whether the given sample of bitumen is properly having that much or required properties like ductility, specific gravity and other properties. So we are doing the experiments in second cycle regarding the testing of bitumen. So one among them is ductility test. So for that we have to take a sample of bitumen, we have to heat it up to a 75 to 100 degrees Celsius, then we have to pour that bitumen into a briquette. So the briquette is having a standard size of 75 mm length and 2.5 mm width. And it is of a special nature or a special shape such that when we are applying a pull at a rate of 5 cm per minute at both ends, it finally makes up into a fine thread and finally it breaks. So we have to note down the length at which it breaks. So that value gives the ductility test. So the specifications and details regarding the experimental setup is given in IS 1208 1978. So this is the apparatus or briquette for doing the ductility test for bitumen. So the briquette consists of a length of 75 mm or 7.5 centimeter and the width of the specimen or briquette is 20 mm or 2 centimeter. And the thickness is uniformly kept constant as 10 mm or 1 centimeter. So if from this briquette itself you can see the thickness of or the width of the bitumen specimen reduces to 10 centimeter at the center. So when we are applying or placing this briquette on this ductility testing machine and when we are applying a pull of 5 centimeter per minute, gradually the thickness will get reduced and finally it breaks. Okay, so this is the briquette for ductility testing machine. So after heating the bitumen to a particular temperature, that is about 75 to 100 degrees Celsius, we have to fill the briquette with the hot bitumen. So before applying that bitumen or before filling the briquette with bitumen, we have to apply a soap solution to these particular portions, that is leaving the C-shaped portion. So we need not to apply soap to these two C-shaped portions. Then after that we have to fill, but the bottom portion should be completely pasted with soap solution and these surfaces should also be pasted with soap so that it easily get detached from the mold while it should be properly attached to these C-shaped portions. So this is the method of applying soap solution to the briquette mold at the bottom plate, then at the bottom of the two segments, then at the side of the two portions. So leaving the C-shaped portions, we have applied soap on all the other faces. After placing the briquette in proper position, tighten the screw pins at the ends. Now we have to pour the hot melted bitumen into this briquette. The pouring should be done in such a way that the bitumen should be poured a little in excess so that after drying it gets shrink inwards. Then we have to keep this mold 30 minutes for air cooling. So now the temperature of the briquette has reached 25 degrees Celsius. Now we have to remove the briquette from the mold by loosening the end screw pins. So the edge blocks are removed, and carefully we have to keep this specimen in the pins of the ductility machine. So the mold is placed in correct position. Now we have to apply a pull of 5 cm per minute in the ductility testing machine. So after doing the experiment, it was found that at a distance of 86 centimeter, the bitumen thread has finally broke. So this distance is noted as the ductility value of the given sample of bitumen. Observations are to be recorded as shown. So the ductility value is 86 centimeter. After getting the results, we have to check whether the given sample of bitumen satisfy the conditions given by BIS.